When you look at the photographs and the pictures and the videos that come from there, and you hear the screams of people, screaming, as the Israeli government burned men, women and children alive. 15,000 children are being slaughtered. It's unbelievable, the genocide that's happening. A child with no head, a child with no head. It's just horrific what they're doing. Where is their soul? Where is the soul of the Israeli people? Where is their humanity? After everything the Jewish people have suffered down over the decades to do this to other human beings. Human beings. But today here, the Irish people say, we recognize Palestine. We recognize that they are human beings, just like every one of us. Shame on Israel. Shame on what they've done, and will never be forgotten.